Hi, here we are given that the mth and the nth terms of a GP are 3 by 4 and 12 respectively, where m is less than n. So n is a higher term, m is a smaller term. Now if the common ratio is an integer represented by r, then the smallest possible value of r plus n minus m is equal to what? Okay, so let's say the GP's first term is a and the common ratio is r, right? Now we have mth term. So mth term of a GP is given to us as 3 by 4, and we know mth term can be written as a into common ratio raised to the power m minus 1. Similarly, the nth term is given to us as 12. So 12 can be written as a into common ratio raised to the power n minus 1. Fine. Now since nth term is greater than mth term in terms of the term, n is greater than m, right? So let's take the ratio of Tn upon Tm. So this is 12 upon 3 by 4, which effectively is a into r to the power n minus 1 upon a into r to the power m minus 1. So from here we have 12 goes by 3 4 times, 4 into 4 is 16, which comes out to be a and a gets cancelled out, r to the power n minus 1 minus m minus 1. So minus into m and minus of minus 1 will become plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancels out, so we have r to the power n minus m. This is equal to 16. Now r to the power n minus m is 16. Now we know r is an integer, n and m are also integers, so this is also an integer. So what we have is 16 to the power r, 16 is r to the power n minus m is basically an integer raised to the power an integer. So 16 has to be written as some integer to the power some other integer. So how can you write 16 as a power of an integral power of an integer? The ways are, one is 16 to the power 1. Another way is 4 to the power 2, right? Now since the power is even here, what I can do is I can make it as plus 4 or minus 4 to the power 2. Plus 4 square is 16, minus 4 square is also 16. So I have two cases here. And another case possible is 2 to the power 4. Now 2 to the power 4 is also 16. But since power is even, I can take base either as plus 2 or minus 2. Right? So these are the 5 possible cases. 16 power 1, 4 power 2, minus 4 power 2. 2 power 4 minus 2 power 4. So these are the 5 cases. So now what we need to figure out is the value of r plus n minus m. Now we have r to the power n minus m is this or this or this. Okay. Now considering the first case, r is 16 and n minus m is 1. So r plus n minus m is r is 16. N minus m is 1, so the sum comes out to be 17. Correct? Now here r is either plus 4 or minus 4 and n minus m is 2. So r plus n minus m. Since we have to figure out the smallest value, we'll take a smaller value of r, which is minus 4, and n minus m is 2. So from here r plus n minus 2 comes out to be minus 2, the smaller value. If you take plus 4, the value will come out to be 6, but the smaller of these two values is minus 2. And from here, r is either plus 2 or minus 2 and n minus m is plus 4. So the value of r plus n minus 4 will be, n minus m will be, n minus m is 2, r can be either plus 2 or minus 2. So the value of this expression will be plus 2 plus 4, which is 6, or minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. So these are the 5 values of r that we have: 17, 2, 6, 6, 2. As in you have 4 unique values because 6 is common. But the least of all these values is minus 2. So the least possible value of r plus n minus m is option D.